Cover left, alleyway, alleyway. Find the core, Dad! Alleyway, watch alley! Red building! Alleyway, alleyway, alleyway! Yeah. Surrender. Got him. I got them all in the alleyway. Hit. Good shot. I said find it. Hey. Where are the other guys at? Hey, keep your head in, keep your head in. If we're gonna talk. Where are your buddies at?
I think Jeff and then
Okay. Listen, I need you to look for the core for me, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna move you up. We're gonna push up. Okay, and I need you to look for the core everywhere.
Okay.
Look inside the truck, look everywhere, okay? Look under it, look everywhere. It could be anywhere. Come on. I'm gonna get you up here. Now I want you to look around in this area, okay? Go. Look around. No, over here. Look around in this general area. Come on. Just keep your head down and look around. I got you. Yeah, just look in the truck, look around, look under, look everywhere. Look in the nooks and crannies. Keep looking. Right there, flashlight. Behind the tank. Just keep looking, keep searching. Moving right, Dad. Tank. Why isn't this feeding? Why isn't it feeding? Oh my God. Huh? No, it's a little thing that goes inside the big thing. Just keep looking. You gotta look. There's a guy behind the tank, so just watch your head. Red building, Dad, red building. Red building, red building. Why is it feeding every one? Dad! Dad! My rifle's down. I got one shot in my pistol. That's all I got. Alright, listen. No, I don't want your gun. I want you to have it just in case, alright? Listen, I'm gonna run up. If I die, I die. Alright? No, keep your head down, keep your head down. Yeah, I know. He's on the corner of the gray building, I know. Alright, listen. If I die, I die, okay? If I don't die, I know. Yeah, shoot him, go. Dad! Great truck, Brian's right there! By the hole, cut out! Alright, listen. Hey, down. Get in. If I die, I die. If I don't, alright, I'm gonna push up, and I want you to move out, and I want you to search for the core, okay? Both of y'all, I want you to search for the core if I don't die, okay? Alright, on 3, I'm gonna move out. 1, 2, 3. I want you to give me cover fire on 3. 1, 2. Listen, I want you to give me cover fire. Just shoot. I don't care if you're shooting at a guy or not. All right, just shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Go. Shoot. Thunder! Surrender! 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 Search for the core! Search for the core! Search for the core! Surrender! Hey, surrender! Good! Go! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about, guys. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. Who found it?
I found it over there and I got it up to the thing. And then you guys had this thing covered. So.
I just couldn't figure out where it was.
Dude, I came.
I found it laying in the thing. Somebody else had found it initially.
I saw it laying out here. After I came up behind all you guys, killed them all, and I was gonna run back here, and I saw it laying out. I slid to it. Done.
Yeah, because I saw it over there. I got it all the way up to here, and there was like, you had like your half the team covering the damn thing.
Dude, I told them to cover it. I was like, you guys.
Nothing I could do.
I was like, you guys watch that, and then I'll go see if I can find it. I literally had one shot with my pistol left. Good game, brother.